Apple is intending to dispatch a moment-age iPhone SE in 2018 to focus on the mid-extent cell phone showcase, as indicated by another given account of anticipated worldwide cell phone creation development in 2018 shared toward the beginning of today by Taiwanese statistical surveying firm TrendForce. The main iPhone SE was presented in the spring of 2016, and it saw no updates in 2017. Therefore, it's been hazy if Apple intends to proceed with the iPhone SE line, yet notwithstanding the data from TrendForce, a current talk from Taiwan's Economic Daily News has recommended another 4-inch gadget is in progress. Another iPhone SE could come amid the principal half of 2018, and it is purportedly being gathered by Taiwanese Apple provider Western at its industrial facility in Bangalore, India. We don't recognize what specs another iPhone SE may incorporate, yet the first has equipment from the iPhone 6s, including an A9 chip, 2GB RAM, and a 12-megapixel raised camera. Notwithstanding another variant of the iPhone SE, TrendForce says new lead iPhones in 2018 will incorporate enhanced Face ID, more memory, and AMOLED shows for two models, in accordance with past 2018 iPhone bits of gossip we've heard pointing towards a moment-age 5.8-inch OLED iPhone X, a bigger 6.5-inch OLED iPhone X Plus, and a 6.1-inch iPhone with LCD show. Apple's iPhone lineup will keep on focusing on Face ID, as indicated by TrendForce, while other cell phone makers will stay with capacitive unique mark sensors in the primary portion of 2018 because of a powerlessness to coordinate Apple's innovation. Later in 2018, the primary cell phones utilizing undershow unique mark innovation will enter large-scale manufacturing. TrendForce trusts Apple's iPhone creation will extend in 2018, prompting volume development of 7.5%. Samsung won't passage very too, however, because of savage rivalry from rivals that incorporate Apple and Chinese cell phone makers. While Samsung will keep on remaining the best cell phone maker around the world, TrendForce predicts a 3% drop underway volume. Generally speaking, TrendForce gauges that 1.46 billion cell phones were delivered in 2017, with that number set to build an expected 5% to 1.53 billion units in 2018.